How to review member profiles on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review member profiles on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, click this three line in the top corner, and then go down until you find settings and click activity log, and here you will find the profile information. Click on it and then just click profile member profiles, and as you see here you can review member profiles on Facebook Lite, and then just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.